Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for watching and subscribing to this channel. I appreciate it, really helps. And so as part of Safe September, a way that we can help all of us within the electrical industry to be safe and to work safely, I thought I'd jump on the bandwagon myself along with the others that have been demonstrating safe isolation procedures on YouTube, Instagram and also Twitter. So coming up is a video I shot quite a few months ago now, but I hope it's able to demonstrate to you fully how you carry out safe isolation. That way when you're working on any electrical installation, whether it be domestic, which is what's covered on these videos that I put out, or commercial or industrial, whatever it may be, we need to work safely. So here's the video coming up and I hope you enjoy it. Our safe isolation procedure then. So, 2-pole tester, our proving unit. Put the 2-pole tester into the proving unit. So that proves that our continuity tester is functional. And then we go between, not easy to do with one hand, but we go between earth on the earth bar and live, as you can see. Nothing. Between earth and neutral, nothing. Just to check that it's not bypassed via anything. The other side of the breakers on the buzz bar. Up to the top, nothing. And across the neutral bar, nothing. Now we go between neutral and live, nothing. And check again all of the way across, nothing. That is between neutral and live, neutral and earth and neutral. Now, what if our continuity tester has developed a fault during that time? Well, that's why we go back to our proving unit, onto our proving unit, and our proving unit still works. That's it. We have now carried out safe isolation. Thanks very much for watching that video. I do hope it was useful. Of course, the full aspects of safe isolation procedure also include LOTO, or lockout and tagout. So you'd normally put a small lock-off device around the circuit breaker or the main switch or whatever it is that you're wanting to actually isolate. And then what you do is then add a tag to that with the name, details, and sometimes you'd maybe include an expected time of how long that piece of equipment is likely to be switched off for, just to give people that are needing to use it or around that haven't actually spoken to you details about the cause for the isolation and how long it's likely to be off for. In this particular procedure, the video you've just viewed, I was working independent by myself within a domestic property, and I had the only key to the front door, and I had my back to the front door as I was working in the hallway. So no need for me there to use the Lotto procedure or the tag and the lock-off device in this particular scenario. But of course, if you're working in areas where you're not isolated in that particular way, then of course always remember to lock out and tag out as well, so that inadvertently the switch doesn't then get turned back on. It may be even in domestic situation that you may have that. The builder, if you're working in a property where you're doing renovation work, or if you're in a customer's house, you may need to actually lock and tag the item of equipment that you've got switched off, or the circuit you have switched off, because you don't want the customer switching that back on. But as I say, for what I was doing there, it was an empty property, so that wasn't required. But always be on your guard in relation to these things, because electricity can be dangerous and is dangerous when not handled correctly. So stay safe. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. It does help the YouTube algorithms. And stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Take care.